There's something really unique about this campus. There's just so much history of the community. This development is done in such a way that really allows the community to come back and be a part of what's happening at Electric Works. It's catalyzing this part of Fort Wayne in a way I never anticipated.
It's beautiful. It's an outstanding utilization of what used to be an industrial building.
The modern office space mixed with the old space that you can just come in and rent.
Here, I can meet a client in a Class A professional setting, and it's outstanding an opportunity.
You know, you want to come in here and work hard. You want to come in here and knock tasks out. And this has been a lifesaver.
A space like this allows me to have collaboration with other like-minded people, or just a social dynamic that is more inspiring.
Creative collisions. You know, you run into somebody you haven't seen and you start to have a conversation and it trips off on an idea. Co-working, it takes that community engagement to another level.
It's all relationships for me. It's not always just coming there to work by yourself. It's the value in collaboration.
This social ecosystem of merchants, offices, workspace, architecture, revival just brings a new vitality to urban Fort Wayne.
It means a lot to be able to bring clients to a space like this.
I'm excited to see all the different types of groups that come into this space. I think we're just at the tip of the iceberg.